Hi everyone, we are going to start Cambridge International AS and A-level exam paper for the session October-November 2025. This is the pure mathematics 2 paper with code 9709/21. This is the variant 1. Okay, let's move to the question number 1. Find the integration of 6 sine square of x. This question is related to the integration. If you want to solve more integration questions, so you can go on my channel and you can find the topic wise question for the pure maths 2. For example, logarithm, trigonometry, differentiation, integration, and numerical solution. Now, question number 1. Find integration 6 sine square x dx. We need to find the integration of the 6 sine square x dx. We know that cos 2 theta is equals to the cos of square theta minus sine of square theta. And cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sine square theta. So we will have cos of 2 theta is equals to 1 minus sine square theta minus sine square theta. So this one is equals to 1 minus 2 sine square theta, which is equals to cos of 2 theta. We need to find the sine square theta. So 2 sine square theta is equals to 1 minus 2 cos of 2 theta, and sine square theta is equals to 1 minus cos of 2 theta over 2. So if we replace sine square theta with 1 minus cos of 2 theta over 2, then it will be 6 times 1 minus cos of 2x over 2. Integration with respect to dx. So this will be cancelled out and we will have 3. So we will have integration 3 minus 3 times cos of 2x with respect to dx. Further solving, we will have integration of 3 is 3x minus 3. Integration of cos of 2x is sine of 2x over 2 plus c. So this one is equals to the 3x minus 3 over 2 sine of 2x plus c.